Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own chicken bone broth. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of chicken bones, some carrots, celery, and onions, plus a few bay leaves and peppercorns. Place all these into a large stock pot or slow cooker. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged. This initial step is crucial for a rich, flavorful broth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to the pot. This helps extract minerals from the bones, making your broth more nutritious. Now, bring the mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for anywhere from 12 to 24 hours. The longer it simmers, the more flavor and nutrients you'll get. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere, even while your delicious bone broth simmers. You can find a link to it and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the cooked bones and vegetables. Let the broth cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.